Question 32. In the diagram, PQR is a circle with center O. If angle OPQ is equal to 48 degrees, find the value of M. This is a circle with center O, and then we have this line over here and this line over here. This is a triangle, right? The only thing we are given there is this angle, 48 degrees. We are asked to find this value. There are no parallel lines. What comes to your head? How do you get this place? It is a straight line. If I knew this angle, I would have just done 180 minus this, right? And that would have given me this angle. But I don't have this angle. Is there a way to find this angle? Or is there any other thing I can do? I've seen one thing I can do. Look at it closely. From here to here is the radius of this circle, and from here to here is also the radius of this circle. So that means this line is equal to this line. In fact, I have an isosceles triangle with this side being equal to this side, with this side being 48 degrees. It therefore means this is also what? 48 degrees. Do you understand that? So you can just state that angle OQP is equal to what? 48 degrees. Why? The base of an isosceles triangles are always equal. Is that okay? So this is equal to this is equal to this, because the base angles of an isosceles triangles are always equal. Now we've established that. I can put it here. This is 48 degrees. Now I want to tell you that there is a rule. Look at this. This is a triangle with this being an external angle to this, and it's opposite to these interior angles. Look at this. Let me bring this diagram out here. Are you familiar with the rule that says that this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle? The exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Are you familiar with that rule? So at this point, I don't need to walk further. All I need to do is state that rule and then add this up and then say that my M is equals to 48 plus 48, and that is equals to what? 8 plus 8 is 16, carry 1. That's 4 plus 4, 8 plus that one, 9. So that is our answer, and that is A. But for some of us who are not familiar with that rule, let's go ahead and solve. Now that we know this angle, we can find this, right? So let's use this and find this. So we can now say that this angle, we can call it O. O plus 48 plus 48 is equal to what? 180 degrees. Why? Right? So that becomes, so O is equal to 180 degrees minus 96 degrees, and that is equal to what? 84 degrees. So this is 84 degrees, right? So how can I get M? Therefore M plus 84 degrees is equal to what? 180 degrees. Why is it 180 degrees? Sum of angles on a straight line. I don't have space, I would have written that. Therefore what? M will be equal to what? 180 degrees minus 84 degrees. And what is that? The answer is 96 degrees. You still have your answer back. See? Normally, you're not supposed to waste time doing this. It just shows that you don't know. Okay? This is a smart thing to do. When once you get to this point, recognize that this is equal to this, and then you stop your work right there. You don't have time to go through this. In fact, you're not expected to go through this. I was just showing this so that we see that this is actually indeed added to give this.